honey comes from bees. Welcome to Lucy's Turn Kitchen. Today we're making granola bites. They're super easy to make. You just need to add in some chocolate chips, and then peanut butter, and then oats, and then honey. There's 4 ingredients. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ingredients. Our first ingredient is oats. Ooh. Whoa! Next ingredient is peanut butter. The next ingredient is honey. Our last ingredient is chocolate chips. Turn the mixer on low. Oh no, oh no, oh no. And then turn it off. Oh no. You grab some with one of these and stretch it. Now they're done. You have a week. So best if you put them in the fridge where they can get very cold. Let me taste a bite. Perfect. Let me take one more. Bye. See you later. Thanks for If you like this video, hit that subscribe and you can cook like me. And if you flip a pancake over, you will be a pancaker.